Welcome people, we're there giving a video. As you see, I don't know what the video all about already. You see me? So what to do for me? I want to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn the post notification bell, you see me? I want to follow me on Instagram. I want to share the video, you see me? That's very important. Share the video. Smash the like button and also comment. Yeah man, in the comments, so stay tuned for the bang again, you see me? See the fruit here, they speak from Saturday to the Monday, you see me? Pick it from Saturday because I want to get turned and get a bit soft, you see me? When do it like so, it's nicer, you see me? When the fruit just start ripe and you roast it, yeah man, it's nicer. This is the yam, saltfish, tomato, see the everything. So, everything we're going to use, you see me? See the pot ready to feed, the cold stove, and this is going to build the stick fire. You see me? We're not no fire around here. Yeah man, so just stay tuned. I'm going to show you the process. So just stay tuned. People, them authentic Jamaican thing here, much more nicer and better for you than the KFC, the Zing, the pizza and them thing here. So just stay tuned for the video man. And also share the video, make sure you share the video. And smash the like button, comment and subscribe and tell the post notification bell. Remember, share the video. Tell everybody. When you can't watch the video alone, when you share the video man. Jelly pan tree people, you see me? You just drink a jelly and go on the do. You see me? See the people, fire catch, I want this saltfish because I don't know say how you boil up the saltfish already, you know, so see there, saltfish in a pot. See the people, stick fire catch. So I don't know say that's so ready for the beetroot and the yam, you see me? See the people, fire ready for beetroot now and the yam, so I just put it in them now. So just stay tuned people, you know. And also some passion fruit juice. The passion fruit with a pinch of ginger. That's so nice. The people say passion fruit, a little sugar and bit of a story. You can throw a little water on it. Just cut it down to my own prepare for you. Passion fruit juice. And the story, it just stir like this until a bee black acid till everything up right for the seed and basically you're good. So people, it's a passion fruit juice. It's done already, you see me? Like I said before, I can't belong to my own sort of food. Passion fruit juice, you see me? You can't blend it, but them say when you blend it, it's too good for man, you see me? Yeah man, so basically the saltfish ready. If you go and cool down and then me deal with that, you see me? The people, I prepare the seasoning now because I'm sure no, the saltfish is done already, so prepare everything I know. Yes people, so everything is done now, so I just put it in the pot again with the oil and I'm throwing them here, make them fry a little and I'm throwing them here, you see me? People, if you put it in roast, so I just take it to the fire, but I now put it to the fire, you see me? I want to remain warm same way. Yam, I'm not sure about the yam because I first roast yam, you see me? Comment below who have like color, have a beetroot and just roast the same way. Like if they have a beetroot now, I have cut a piece of boil it. It's a reminder, it just roast the same way, you see me? So that's how I'm going for that, yeah man. People think yam must roast by now, you know, because yam gonna play with this beetroot, so I guess it must roast by now, you see me? And people, the cook kind of slow right now, come and just throw some fresh cold night, but it'll come up, you know? So, I'm just going for a little bit. I'm not looking for it too much. I like when everything green and red same way, you see me? I'm pretty. You see me? So, Me soon throw the saltfish night and them thing there. The people me say, you know, to want them fry out bad. So it's alright now, so basically I put in the saltfish night now. You see me? And you have black pepper and them thing there, you can put the Maggi season or whatever you put tonight, you see me? So people, time peel bedfruit now. Me know the best bedfruit peel about. You try your thing, you see me? And make sure say you don't get too black if you know do. You get black. I don't want that. Yes people, yam time now, moment I showed. I'm saying before. First me I roast yam, so see how well me do. Bedfruit kind of small people, but I work with it, you see me? See the people who shell down. Yes people, this is the end of the video. I'm saying before, want to subscribe and turn the post notification bell, you see me? Stay tuned because enough more video are come. Enough more interesting video are forward, you see me? And share the video to your mother, sister, auntie, grandmother, everybody. A video I'll drop on a channel to every single body, you see me? So just subscribe and stay tuned, share the video, smash the like button and comment.